So once you got all the bolts tight, so we've got all the bolts, I torqued this side. We've tightened these with a wrench, but we haven't torqued them yet, but everything's lined up. The last thing you need to do is you need to drill these holes. And the problem here is that because the thicknesses of the metal is not consistent, it's really hard. If we try to drill this ahead of time, it's gonna be off and it's gonna be hard to get that bolt through. So we figured it's just easier with specific. Sometimes I go back to get it back out. Whoop. Now, that's it. Now we're going to drop a 7/8 bolt through there, put the nut on the bottom, call it good. Thank you, guys.